We're experiencing a new revival in tiki cocktails, and there's never been a better time to learn about it. Here's what's cool about tiki. Tiki is the perfect combination of everything tropical, from the history, the architecture, and the most delicious cocktails you can imagine. Right after Prohibition, Tiki is considered the second wave of mixology where different rums and tropical flavors come into play. This is completely different from the Manhattans, the dry martinis and Negronis that we all love. And it all came from the mind of one man, Don the Beachcomber. Don the Beachcomber was the person who created the legacy of Tiki. And from that, a few other names came through, such as Trader Vic. And just between these two people, we have almost 80 years of cocktail history in the Tiki world.
We have absinthe and dark to make it run.
Within those 80 years of history and those two people, we have some of the most iconic tiki cocktails that we know nowadays, such as the Zombie, the Mai Tai, the Fog Cutter, and the Scorpion. These weren't just served in normal glassware, they're also served in tiki mugs, which played a big part through the history of tiki, especially in the 50s and 60s. These will have different themes, such as the sculptures of Easter Islands or the bamboo canes, but they also have different styles of any type of Polynesian artwork. On top of the amazing recipes served in these cool mugs, we have the garnish that wraps everything together. From a simple mint sprig that complements the ingredients of the drink, to elaborate fruit carvings with umbrellas, smoke, and all sorts of eye-catching presentations. Tiki revolutionized the way we garnish drinks from pre-Prohibition cocktails and taking us beyond the simple lemon zest and olive. We've created this course for you to live the true Tiki experience, from the origins of rum and sugarcane to the long-lost recipes and lifestyle of Don the Beachcomber and Trader Vic, to unravel your creativity in creating beautiful garnishes and to guide you through the process of molding and painting your very own Tiki mug. Tiki is so much deeper than rum and fruit juices. The more you learn about it, the more it pulls you in. And we're here to help you with that. See you at the bar.
Hey guys, click here if you want to learn more about European Bartender School, or click here if you want to watch more videos. Oh. Cheers!